So you're getting something like this, right?
Yeah.
So first, um, okay, let us check. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you have
So
to
you
do
have
is that you are
shared
trying to
a
no no
screenshot yesterday.
see
So in that you said that to move vertically, we need to use justify content,
okay
and horizontally you said text align. So that is what
yeah.
I followed over here.
So I guess you guys I guess I have mentioned in sorry. See for horizontal content we have to use something called as justify content. Okay. For vertical we
Okay.
will be using something called as align center. Okay. Try to use that. Okay.
For vertical, what we need to use?
For vertically center we have to bring something as align center.
Okay.
For horizontal we have to use something like this. See and yeah one sec you have mentioned the container right you are using the container okay
Yeah.
but you are not giving a styling to your container right you are giving to your h1 so can you come to the main.css
Okay.
here you are using two h1 right just use this one
Okay.
okay so as of now use something as dot container I think c is capital there or I don't know you can just have a look on it okay yeah c is
Okay.
capital so just try to uh, give something as container
Okay.
okay and just remove that height as 400 pixels and try to give something as uh, auto or something as 100 vh okay 100 vh which is vh not vx so vh is nothing but viewport where you can it is nothing but your complete screen okay now we can see
Okay.
your div completely okay so now it is the now a particular div is accessing the entire page now you can use something like come to next page try to use your open the h1 and try to give something as yeah, just try to use something as a text alignment setter for your h1
Okay. Where to give that? So
have you
like,
added display flex inside that can you go to the code container yeah add something called as display flex in here so that everything will be in this will come in setter okay so just
okay.
leave
So without Flux, we cannot do that. We
see
cannot
in order
use.
to center a div normally there are like two types okay one we will be just using something called a center tag which will bring everything but horizontally center okay but
Okay.
in order to bring like center completely that you have to bring something center in the page you have to use these three components okay that is you have to change the display to flex you have to change the you have to introduce justify content align items and you have to give the height as something auto or something as viewport 100 viewport so okay so
Or
once
he
you
could
give all
also
these steps
use margin right and margin left, right?
yeah you can use margin right and margin left but what is the uh, use of that what will you try
No, like he's telling that he wants the word in the center. So I've used that as well.
okay
I've used margin hyphen right.
yeah you
So
can
that
use
word,
instead of right margin right you'll use margin auto or padding auto I guess right
oh,
so just try to use something called as display flex here uh, Santosh
Okay.
display flexes now you can see
Okay.
getting it
Yeah. Yeah.
so that's and
Okay.
other option is that instead of using something as this one you can give something as margin auto so that it will take a margin as the size of the width will take okay
Okay.
margin is auto so any doubts other people anyone
Okay. So one more doubt. How? So,
okay
So I have created, as you said yesterday, a Spotify kind of website. So
Okay.
let me show you that.
Yeah, it's great.
Can you
It's
see?
nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Yeah.
Okay. So I have added multiple pages. So
Okay.
like this, and
Okay.
login page.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
this is
also
good.
I
This is
have
good actually.
okay. And
You have
also I have
added
removed
the
the
link. When you click the image, it will go to that YouTube video, right?
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Then it's not
in
an issue.
this
It's
I
good.
got
It's
an
good.
error. Yeah. So in this I got an error.
Okay. So what was the error?
So one second, I just show you. Yeah. So in the login page, so I have tried to make the image login icon to the center. So let me show you that as well. So in this login page, I have tried to move this center and this
Okay.
button also to the center. So that I have
Yeah.
used the center over here, but it shows a red color
Okay.
over here.
See, that is not an issue actually. Okay. Here the center tag it will sometimes it will come in blue, sometimes it's come in red. Okay, that's not an issue. Okay.
Okay. So that is a default
Yeah.
one.
That's default. That is sometimes it will come like that only. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
A good
That's fine.
job. Great job, Santosh. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So other people, uh, Saurabh, Navya,
Hello, sir.
Prashant. Yeah, Saurabh.
So can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share your screen. Saurabh, are you sharing your screen because we can't see?
Sir, there is some issue when I'm trying to share.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, but your screen is not visible.
Hi, sir. Good
So
afternoon.
Vaishnavi, you were asking, sir, can we have any study material for this training session?
Good
Actually,
afternoon,
you will
sir.
be getting your training module from the Rajmohan sir. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Pranit. Yeah.
Actually, I was joined a little bit late due to network issue. Have you started yet?
No, no, no. We haven't started anything.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Just a second.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Saurabh. Yeah.
Sir, actually there is some issue and I'm trying to share, but I want to ask that I have added 5 files there, music files, but I'm trying to play one at each time. But whenever I'm playing all of them, they are running simultaneously. So how to set
Okay.
controls like one has to be play at one time?
So can you show the code so that we can see what is the issue?
Sir,
Because I can't see it. Right.
my screen is visible.
Uh, yes, Prashant. Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yes, sir. Actually, I
So,
made a small project, sir.
okay.
And, and this shows like this.
Yeah, it's good. It's nice, Prashant. Yeah. Guys, I'm appreciating you guys. You guys are doing some great work. Okay, Prashant, great job to you. Santosh, you're also,
Thank you, sir.
and people who are also trying that, right? For all the people, congrats to kudos to you guys. Okay, how to remove the overlaps between the list? Just try to add margins to the list tag so that we'll be giving some spaces. Okay, Ravanjan, is that okay? So yesterday code, like we have used something called as li as margin, and we'll use something as 10 pixels or something, right? So try to use that. Okay. Okay. Prerna, you are
Hello.
asking, sir, can you please explain how to add links? Don't worry, I will try to explain about anchor tags. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, Nalina, you are having doubts?
Sir, shall I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Prabhajan, just give me a minute. We will try to do that next. Okay.
Hello, sir. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your
Hello?
VS Code, but I can't see your browser.
Okay.
Can you? Are you sharing your entire screen, Lina? If it is not, then you
Mm,
can try to share it entire screen. Okay.
okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. Okay.
This is home page. Search.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Very good.
It's
Okay.
able
So
to
you have
Google.
added something like once you click the uh, search button, it will go to the Google and search for Ilayaraja, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Nice job, actually. Lina. Yeah, it's
Thank you,
nice.
sir.
So yeah, Prabhanjan, you can share your screen now, and Navya, I will get back to you. Don't worry. Huh? Is that okay with you? Yeah, Prabhanjan, you can show your VS Code. Yeah. So you have to write that is next to the 20th line. You have to give something as header space, nav space, ul space, li. Okay. In that, try to give us margin as 20, 10 pixels or 20 pixels. You will get something like that. Okay. Prabhanjan, are you getting me? Okay. Yeah. Try to do that. No, I'm saying next to 21st line, type something like header space, nav space, ul space, li, and try to write that margin 20 pixels inside that. Okay. I'm saying next to 21st line. Just come to 20th line and click enter. Okay. and write there header space. I'm just saying 20th line. Yeah. Click enter. Now we can write header space, nav space, UL space, LI. Okay, inside that you have to write something as margin 20 pixels off. As of yeah. Can you come and see your website? You are getting it. Okay, Prabhu, then yeah. So yeah, Navya, you can share your screen now. What is the issue you are having? You can say that. You are saying that, sir, after submit login details, no immediate. Can you share your screen so that we can see what is that you are trying to do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, actually yesterday code only for login details I added this one. My share visible.
Okay.
Yeah, here actually for this login, here I used some input values.
Okay.
I'm submitting, but it's not giving any response. I actually I added again one HTML file for this.
Can you go to that file?
Okay, sir. Here actually submit.html.
Okay.
Here I for this it will direct to login successfully
See,
message.
okay, that is okay. But
Uh,
can you come to that login folder, login file?
login. Okay, sir.
I'm just saying that you're having the forms, right? Login now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, what you have to do is that you are giving that input type equals submit, right?
Yes, sir.
What you have to do, one, you have to put that input type submit, the value is equal submit inside the angle tag, okay, angle brackets. Inside that anchor tag, you're having 23rd, or else you have to use the form tag, okay.
Okay, sir. Here I used form tag, sir. Actually, here.
You are using form tag, right? Then use
Yes, sir.
something as go to the form. Just remove the angle tag what you're having at 23rd line, okay, as of now. You don't need to
Okay,
use
sir.
something like that, okay. Remove that.
Okay. Okay.
You have to, yeah, you have to write, go to the form tag, give a space there, go to the form. Yeah. You can write on submit.
Anna, sir.
Everything is small. Everything small.
Submit.
So inside that, try to write that HTML file name. What is your HTML file?
Submit.html.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just write submit.html.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Actually, sorry. It's not on submit. It seems. Oh, one minute. I will just try to recall. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for forms, there are like tags such as methods and yeah, sorry, actions. That is okay. Just remove that on submit and try to bring something as uh, action. Okay, not on submit. Just write action. Yeah.
Okay,
Now
sir.
once it is done, you can come to your code. Just go to the code and try to uh, open it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sorry. I thought it was on submit, but now only I'm getting it. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, Pranit, you're having any doubt?
Yes, sir. Shall I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Is it visible to you, sir?
Actually, your
Hello.
screen is not visible for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Now I can see your screen. Yeah.
yeah. Here actually creating from Google
See,
one,
one second,
and
one second.
here
I'm getting
I have
just
added
a
my details.
empty blank page. I'm not seeing your screen.
Is it visible?
For other people, you can see his screen, or only me. I'm not getting.
It's not visible, sir.
No, sir. It's not visible.
Pranit, you can stop sharing screen and you have to try it again.
Okay. It's that your end. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Is it stopped?
No, I can't see your screen.
Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, now I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Pranit, but I can't see your screen. Pranit, yeah. I
Yeah,
don't know
yeah,
why.
just a minute. I got some network issue. See once, is it visible now?
No. Yeah, now it is presenting, but I can see only your blank screen. Now it is okay. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I was trying to create one resume, and just it is demo one. Yeah, here I want to
Okay.
add the logos for the mail and phone number.
Okay. You can search SVG images to your in the internet and try to use that. Okay. Any images you can be used. Okay.
Okay, so we need to add image here.
Yeah. You need to add image.
And here, while creating this table, I want to increase the number of rows, but it is not getting increased. Then I directly, added as an image.
Okay. So just come to the code. You'll be using something called a stable, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Come to the code once.
Yeah, here it is.
Okay. Okay. So What is the issue you are facing here?
I am not able to increase the number of rows.
Just try to write again another tr, then the another row will be introduced. That's all.
Another tr need to write. That's it. Huh?
No, no. What I'm saying is that where you want to introduce a new row.
Here in the down, like after this row 3 cell 4. Oh, sorry, cell 1.
Yeah. Then
Same,
try to
I
come to
have, I
the
want to
body.
create table like this. Can you see here this image?
So you want to create something like cloud technologies, AWS, something same.